Let's take a look at number 28. We got negative 7x to the fourth plus 7x squared. And let's see. First technique you always think about. You probably don't have to do it on very many, but you think GCF. And these actually have something in common. They both have a 7. I can see that right away. First term is negative, so we'll always factor out a negative. And that's for GCF. Whenever your first term is negative, you always bring negative out. Both have a 7. And this has x to the fourth, and this has x squared, so we'll bring out an x squared. It's always your x to the largest or smallest power. Sorry. Now, negative 7 divided by negative 7 gives us positive 1. We had 4 x's. We took 2 x's away, so that leaves us 2 x's. 7 divided by negative 7 is negative 1. I had 2 x's. I took both of those x's away, so there's no x's left. Now, of course, the 1 doesn't need to be there, so we drop that. Now, what we factored out here, this is GCF. That keeps carrying down out in front. But now, if I look at what's inside the parentheses here, we already did GCF grouping, 4 more terms. No, this is 2 terms. PSD key number, both 3 terms. Nope, this is 2 terms. 2 terms of my string, a difference of 2 squares. So let's try that. So I'm going to try to write it as something squared minus something else squared. Difference 2 squares. You ask yourself what times itself gives you that. X times x gives you x squared. And 1 times 1 gives you 1. So then, since we were able to write it as something squared minus something else squared, we take what's inside our first set of parentheses, we add what's in our last, and we take what's inside our first and we subtract what's in our last. And that would be our answer. So let's see which one that matches. Looks like C. So 28C.